What's up, everybody? Welcome at 333 Team YouTube channel, and today we're reviewing the Severiano Resort. This is an 11 minutes from the sea, upside the Benidorm urbanization of 11 villas. You can get this house with these views, this golf view and the sea and the mountains. So let's go and review what do we have here. So now let's review this 117 square meters house with 2 stories. This is a bedroom, like a master bedroom, with its own shower and a terrace with 3 sides view. One side to the sea, one side to the mountains, and another side to the mountains and Finestrat. Let's go and check another one. Another one is a bit smaller, but very good plan. Bedroom, here a shower, and a balcony. Let's go and check the first floor. So this is the first floor. As you see, this is a show house, so you can see general plan here and the planning of the house. And here we see the open kitchen with living room, big windows to the viewing area, to the sea. Look just marvelous. I like it. Let's go and check the shower with bedroom of the first floor. This bedroom is also very nice with big windows heading to entrance from the street. Here to the left we have a shower, very quality materials everywhere, and this is laundry with technical engineering, everything that you need here. Let's see the 300 meters plot. So this villa of 3 or 4 bedrooms is situated near Benidorm in Finestrat area, has its own pool, it has marvelous views, it is very good located, it is very modern style done. So this is one of the best projects, and only 5 houses are left here. So write down to the description and you can book this house until these 5 best plots are ready here. So subscribe to our channel, and we're waiting for your questions. We can make everything to select the best real estate here at Costa Blanca. Come and check it. Let's go.